Hi. So today I'm gonna make my beautiful snack that I make every day sometimes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the stuff of the banana like this. Just do it like this, like this. You can do it how you want. I'm just doing it like me, like this. Okay. So you set these aside, or throw them away if you want.
No, you eat them.
Or just do that last.
So what we are doing, Kellie Lynn is cutting up her banana, and she is laying them flat on the paper plate.
On the plate. Bah! And I just had some, so I'm making more. Alright, so what you want to do after this, now we're going to set this stuff aside for a minute.
Okay.
And then we're going to do these graham crackers. And then we're going to grab this out again. As you can see, I'm dipping my hand like this, and then you grab graham crackers. Ah! I'll get that.
Okay, just keep working. We'll pick it up in a minute.
Okay, so you do it like this.
Kelly, I won't be here.
So if you just do this like this, just put the graham crackers on the banana like this. That one lost its leg, and so did that. Just keep doing it until the bananas run out, and then whatever, if you have any more, just eat it. That's what I would do.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then how do you go about eating your banana snack? So Kelly used a banana, that's one banana, and Teddy graham crackers. The other option that you can use that Kelly has had in the past with her Nina is she cut up the bananas just like that. She put a nut butter. It doesn't have to be peanut, but it could be almond, cashew, or anything else. Then you put the graham cracker on top of it. Kelly's favorite way of doing this is just using the banana and the graham cracker, as you see here. All right.
All right, I gotta get two more. These won't stick. What I want them to do. That one lost its leg. Oh, yum.
All right.
And I use these kind.
Mm-hmm.
So I did another video before this, and it came out just like this, but I didn't have this much of a banana. I had a little bit of bananas. So.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming on and sharing that with us. We appreciate it. And I hope that you enjoy your snack. Thanks, guys, for watching. We love you all.
Bye.
Bye.